Here I have the worksheet for the salary and wages budget. I want to print this entire workbook out so that I can share it with another user. To do this, I'm first going to click on the sheet name of the first sheet that I want to print, and then I'll arrow across until the last sheet name appears. I'll hold the Shift key and click on it. That selects all the sheets in the workbook. If I don't do this, only the currently active and visible sheet is going to be defaulted to printing. I'll choose File and then Print. And you can see that this is going to print on 13 sheets, and we can arrow across and see that these are each of the month's sheets as well as the overall year budget. Now, to be able to print to a PDF file, you're going to have a PDF printer driver installed. I have a couple. I have the Adobe PDF and the PDF Complete, and I can use either of them. So I'm going to select this and then make sure that Excel is set up to print the way I want it to print, and if I'm happy with that, I'll click Print to print it to the PDF file. Excel opens a Save PDF File As dialog for me, and I can select where that PDF file is going to be stored. So I'm going to locate it in my Documents area and in my Worksheets area. I already have a copy of this, so I'm just going to call this number 2 to identify it as the second version and click Save. And like most printer drivers, the Adobe PDF driver, as soon as it has finished doing its work, will display the PDF file for me. This might take a little bit of time to do. Now, if you don't have a PDF driver, you can still create a PDF file from your document or your worksheet. To do that, first save your worksheet, because you're about to save it as a PDF, but when you save it as a PDF, it's a one-way trip. You can't get it back out easily. So to save as a PDF, you'll choose File and then Save As. And I'm going to save to my local computer. And when I get the Save As dialog, I'm going to select PDF from the options here. And here it is, PDF. I'll select it, and now I'm going to give my file a name, so I'm going to call it Salary and Wages Budget 3 and press Save. And now my files have been saved and I can look at them. This is Salary and Wages Budget 3, so this is the one that we just created. You can see that it contains all the 12 monthly worksheets and the final year one. And here's the other version that was printed through the Adobe PDF printer driver, and again it's got the same thing in it, the 13 sheets. Each worksheet, when you print a multi-page workbook, will be printed on a new page. It automatically starts on a new page regardless of how much was printed on the page before. So there we have two options for getting the content of an Excel worksheet out as a PDF file. Either use a PDF printer driver if you have one of them and print to that, or you can just use File Save As and save the document as a PDF file. PDF is a great format for distributing information to users. They don't need to have Excel to be able to look at the data, and it also protects your data because they can't make changes to it, but they can certainly view it and let you know if they have any problems with it.